We are expecting a letter from the president. The president, John Dramani Mahama, please, Ghanaians are expecting a letter from you. Just tell us, just write to us, dear Ghanaians, I, President John Dramani Mahama, I promised to give you 24-hour economy. 1 job, 3 shifts, 3 people. But now, I can't even pay nurses. I can't even pay teachers. I can't even pay my ministers. So please, this 24-hour economy, I cannot implement it. Please forgive me. Yours sincerely, John Dramani Mahama, President of Ghana. Then we will forgive you. It's something simple. Just come out and just write us a letter so that we can forgive you. It's very simple. Dear Ghanaians, I, President John Dramani Mahama, I promise you 24-hour economy, but I'm not being able to pay our teachers. I'm not being able to pay our nurses. I'm not being able to pay our ministers. And in fact, I'll find it difficult to employ 3 people to run 1 job or to run 3 shifts. So please forgive me. I can't do it. And also, PURC, we are begging you, whatever conversation you have to do, you have to have with Gridco, ECG, Ghana Water Company, whatever, please, we are begging you. Ghanaians, many Ghanaians are not receiving their salaries. There have not been any increment in salaries. Please and please, listen to the crowd of Ghanaians. Don't increase the tariffs. Also to GPLTU, we are pleading with you. Do not increase lorry fares. We all know the price of fuel has started increasing. But please and please, do not increase the lorry fares. We are pleading with you because many people haven't received their salaries. Many people haven't get any salary increment. Please and please, we are pleading with you. Don't do this. Listen to the crowd of Ghanaians. Thank you very much.
Right. Thank you so much. Mr. Jorobon, what do you have to tell us so we can wrap up?
Minister of Labour is saying that employing all 144,000 outstanding teachers and nurses will consume 47% revenues. And I'm surprised. A government that promised 24-hour economy, 1 job, 3 shifts, is now struggling to employ 144,000. This clearly shows that the 24-hour economy is not anything you people can fulfill. Because if you have agreed that, look at the number of people, should the government employ them, it's going to affect the government fiscal budget. What it means is that your 24-hour, 1 job, 3 shifts. Because by now, these people should have been under.
Oh, you feel the nurses should be a priority for the 24-hour?
In fact, by now, the government should have rather been looking for more nurses to join. But now, the government is even struggling to employ those who are in the system. But if 1 job will give you 3 shifts, these people should have easily been consumed by the NDC government. No, honorable.
I'll come back to them. So just like.
No, are you running away from your 24-hour economy? No. The underpinning line of your
of the
24-hour is that 1 job should have 3 people. Yes. Now, even this one batch of the people, you are unable to employ them, and you are crying that your budget, the government budget, cannot contain it. Just be truthful to them. There are young people who have worked for 10 months; they have to be paid. There was financial clearance. You introduced politics into the whole thing, and that is why you suspended their employment and trying to introduce another recruitment where I foresee to see how you can employ people you perceive to be your party people.
Oh. Anyway, that's your.
It is possible we shall for me challenge you and this phone say apart from Dodowa Hospital, President Mahama was shot here from scratch. I will be or Mr. Hospital Bima, President Mahama. Abra will take it over from Professor Mills. I may find a class here, former president. ABC 2016, Dodowa Hospital. And with me and this for night man be challenge o man sam be yima name o matem didie and o medidi me and me be kirem die ntia Dodowa Hospital and a President Mahama atimasi no start ye Ghana ha we in the year 2013 and NDC aban ni ko bia ye from NMS infrastructure signing agreement $175 million say ombesi hospitals we e Ghana Kumawu Hospital for mena Sekendi abetifi Dodowa ena garu tempane. In the year 2014, ena jumadi eshasye. Ashanti region mutie ni ye. Efri se NDC aban bedi akonya. Oman start hospital ba kope anwie no Ashanti region. President Mahama unsi hospital ba kope a uwie ye Ashanti region na openfo ekwa jimu awo anasa yarefo ekwa jimu ayarehwe. Ebi sida. She Kumawu ene fomena ena ayi Ashantiman yinyaye na from 2014, 2015, 2016, 16th October 2016, and a contractor no. Esisa ni nkuku ene ne kaka free site. Satam yewura DC ya no Samuel Adeyajikum okasai muma yentie no.
October 16, 2016, the contractors packed out of sight. At that time, I was a presiding member. We asked why, and then the reason was the letter of credit has expired.
Abusiafo ebra contractor no esisa ni nkuku ne nkaka no. Na project no 53%. Na 53% na sika awuram $29.6 million. Yewura ne sa akasa DC no moma yensantie no.
Structural defects.
29.6 out of the $175 million, of which $138 million was released to government of Ghana. Our portion, which is $29.6 million, is finished, but the project is 53%.
Abusiafo, Monshe 53% no. Situation na hospital ni wom. And so na $29.6 million and a Monshe. Kumawu hospital. The NDC aban edijat asantemani. Monshe, eni twegu no. Ashanti region. NDC aban to mudi jaye ni. Enu ne twegu no. Enu ena twegu no. Monshe hospital no. Abra sika $29.6 million ene ne edi awuram. Monshe NPP aban ene ba ya ombewie kumawu ene Fomena hospital. Abusiafo Monshe abra NPP aban a president Nanado ewie hospital Monshe hospital tatantaina na mu no enu nie enu na twegu no eye Fomena ene kumawu president Nanado commission one day o commission sa hospital no mienu one day Monshe fe enu na twegu no enti obi be ka kire me se NDC aboa Ashanti region eche MPP a na sebe nipa no onim de okeka na onim de okeka abusiafo enne twegu no fe abra NPP aban ebewie enu na twegu no abusiafo apart from Dodowa hospital me say me challenge NDC for on Metro hospital President Mama started from scratch awie hospitals na Ridge hospital ne the abusiafo omukọ ye rehabilitation omukọ biem enye onu ne chance ya wie you da bi omukọ biem enti de bia na bibia GM project bibia GM project abusiafo even Bekwai hospital a echeye eye military rule yewura ike a champon ne penso na Bekwai hospital e chance o na akufuado ene babe wiye nti mrepam no beba be kirem hospital a MPP aban esi no Ashanti region ene niema MPP aban no Ashanti region nti like ipedua like na hye na ma onyanya bi hwe na ye nuanum NDC for na kasa wanya bi aka kirem na me ka me se yewura Dr. Bomia oda oba ojane ho konkron no oda number 3 delegate for mkoto a montoma yewura Dr. Bomia no no na eba ode Ghana ebekọ bosha asase ne so it is possible 2020 2029